In the crocodile farming industry, feeding time is a high-intensity routine that requires constant vigilance.
Vast farms house thousands of crocodiles, grown for their valuable skins.
Feeding is a massive daily operation.
The animals are fed a high-protein diet.
Once they reach maturity, the crocodiles are transported.
They are moved to the processing facility.
The process is methodical and industrial.
Inside, the skins are harvested and processed.
The luminescent marker is binding as expected.
Vitals are steady. Preparing the biopsy site now.
Each animal is carefully inspected. Final checks and procedures are administered in a sterile, controlled environment. From the lab, the animals are moved along an automated conveyor system. Each animal is tracked as it moves to the next processing stage.
The scale of the automated operation is immense.
Technicians now check the tanned hides for any imperfections.
After tanning, the leather is finished and graded.
The skins move to the tannery for processing and inspection. The processing begins, separating the valuable skin. The skins are treated, colored, and prepared by skilled workers.
Each finished piece is inspected one last time for final quality.
The finished skins are moved for final processing. Each hide is carefully marked and stamped by hand. The brand's logo is embossed. Intricate logos are pressed into the leather with precision. The leather is hand-polished to achieve a mirror-like shine.
A powered buffing wheel enhances the gloss.
A combination of machine and hand finishing ensures perfection.
Final buffing brings out the deep color and shine.
The skin is fed into a glazing machine for a high-pressure polish.
Specialized machinery is used for finishing the leather. The leather is pressed and glazed to achieve a perfect finish.
Every inch of the finished hide is inspected for imperfections.
Experts check the texture, color, and quality of the final product.
Precise measurements are taken for thickness and consistency.
Finished skins are placed on a central conveyor for sorting.
Only the skins that pass inspection are approved.
The scale of the operation is immense, with hundreds of workers.
The production line combines automation with manual craftsmanship.
The skins are treated with chemicals for preservation and color.
The skins undergo pressing as part of the tanning process.
Chemical baths are essential for tanning and preserving the hides.
After treatment, the skins are hung to dry in a climate-controlled room.
The full size of the hide is impressive.
The drying process is carefully controlled with massive air circulation.
The dried skins are sorted for the next stage.
Heat and steam are used to finish and set the leather.
Supervisors monitor the automated heat treatment process.
Operators carefully control the temperature and speed of the finishing process.
One last time, the hide is inspected before being stored.
The hides are sorted by quality, separating approved from rejected.
This vast library of leather is ready for the next stage.
Workers select specific, finished hides for orders.
The approved leather is moved to the workshop.
Back in the tannery, hides go through a chemical bath. The chemical mixtures are precisely controlled by automated systems.
Raw materials are added to the tanning solution.
The solution is mixed in a massive industrial blender.
The skins are thoroughly cleaned with high-pressure jets.
A final rinse removes all chemical residue.
The skins are subjected to an intense, high-pressure cleaning.
A combination of automated and manual washing ensures thorough cleaning.
The skins move to an automated line for chemical treatment. A technician monitors the automated chemical spraying process.
The skins exit the drying machine for final finishing.
A steam treatment sets the color and texture.
The finished skins are graded and packed by quality.
Hides are sorted into standard and premium grades for shipping.
The skins are boxed and ready for shipment.
The graded skins are packed for shipment.
The boxes are moved to the next station on a conveyor.
The packing line is a hive of activity.
Skins are sorted by grade and size into labeled boxes.
The boxes, sorted by size and quality, are ready for shipping.
The approved hides are then moved to automated cutting.
The laser cuts patterns with digital precision.
The process is clean and precise, vaporizing the material.
A technician oversees the automated cutting process.
The final cut pieces are sorted and moved to assembly. The cut pieces are then sorted by an automated system.
The process is complex.
The cut pieces are delivered to the assembly and sewing floor.
Workers sort the pieces by color and texture. The materials are stacked and prepared for the artisans.
A variety of colors and finishes are prepared.
In the quality section, each hide receives a final treatment.
They inspect the hide for any flaws or imperfections.
Final finishing is done by hand, applying a conditioning coat. The final hand finishing gives the leather its signature gloss.
The dyeing process begins with mixing large vats of colors.
Technicians add the precise amounts of pigment.
The hides are agitated in the dye to ensure even coloring.
The skin begins to take on the new color. Hides are dipped in vats of vibrant color. Each skin is manually dyed to achieve the desired shade.
In the lab, scientists test the chemical composition of the dyes. The color is analyzed for consistency. She records the data, ensuring every batch meets the standard. The color data is precisely analyzed against the standard.
Advanced scanning technology maps each hide for optimal use.
The system identifies the pattern for the automated cutters.
Technicians oversee the digital mapping of every hide.
It all begins in the design studio. It all begins in the design studio.
Using 3D modeling, our designers perfect every detail.
Bridging the gap between traditional sketching and digital reality.
Every stitch is placed with precision.
The pieces are assembled by skilled artisans.
Our master artisans bring the design to life.
The assembly is done by master artisans.
Each piece is meticulously stitched.
The components are carefully assembled.
For our finest pieces, Traditional handcrafting is essential.
The final details, like the hand stitching, define the quality.
The artisan selects the tools for the next step.
I'm inspecting my own work, ensuring every seam is perfect.
The machine stitching must be flawless.
Even the smallest components are stitched with care.
A final laser engraving adds the mark of our brand.
The final branding is applied with laser precision.
The high-energy laser cuts cleanly through the material.
She carefully monitors the automated cutting process.
Custom logos are cut with perfect accuracy.
The operator aligns the product for the final engraving.
He watches the high-energy beam at work.
The final branding is etched onto the product. Other pieces are finished using a heat press.
The finished product is packed for the customer.
From raw material to luxury good, the process is complete.
The finished items are then carefully packed in our signature packaging.
A final check ensures the full order is correct.
The packaged goods are moved to the shipping department.
The final products, boxed and sealed, move down the line.
Each box undergoes a final inspection before shipping.
The pallets are carefully loaded for transport.
The manifest is checked one last time for accuracy.
The cargo is secured for the journey.
The warehouse team works to dispatch the orders.
On its way to customers around the world.
The products are shipped out.
Our commitment extends to the people and the environment.
We discuss our sustainable practices with local partners.
And smoker de social means, thinking down into activity.
The final product, a testament to our craftsmanship. A cycle that respects the animal and the environment.
From our workshops
Alexa?
to our flagship stores.
Where customers can experience the final product.
The culmination of the entire process. A global standard of luxury. The final piece, ready for the discerning customer.